My name is Justin Miller. I'm the scheduler planner with LLOG. My team is responsible for managing the CMMS program, and I've been working with Azzier for 15 years. Before we implemented Azzier and CMMS, well, we didn't really have anything other than spreadsheets that were kept on the platforms. Once we implemented Azzier and started capturing maintenance on there, we were able to see a full view of what was taking place on the platform as far as corrective and preventive maintenance. Everyone can get eyes on the corrective and preventive maintenance that's taking place. It also tracks cost, and it also gives us a better picture, overall picture of what's taking place as far as maintenance on the facility. And that has increased our reliability. I believe we're at a 90% reliability or above 90% reliability right now. And that's because we're always putting eyes or hands on our equipment. There's just a lot of data that's being collected by Azzier on a daily basis as the work orders are closed out and entered, and as the purchase orders are being made. We can run reports on anything really that's captured by the system. I know customization is not a big thing with other programs out there, and so I would just want to really drive that home, that you can do almost anything with Azzier. They break it down by modules, and you can customize each one of those modules. Working with the Azzier support team for the past 15 years has been an amazing experience. They respond very quickly. Often I can make phone calls. They will pick up the phone and give us some immediate response. They're just a real pleasure to deal with and easy to work with. And they all are very professional. It was really easy to implement this system and to set it up. It's very user-friendly, and I can't imagine doing this with any other program.